All right, so that is the piece of the weapon with which Saif Ali Khan was targeted, which was extracted by the surgeons during surgery yesterday. That is the first visual, the image of a part of that. We were told it's about 3-inch part of the weapon, which was lodged near the spine, near the thoracic spine region, where there was also spine fluid, we were told, coming out and leaking out when he was rushed to the hospital profusely bleeding. This 3-inch, according to the doctors, was lodged into Saif's body when he was confronting the accused. And obviously, if he was so close to the children, to ensure that his family is safe, his little boys are safe, he takes on this accused. The suspect nabbed for now by the Mumbai police. Look at that. On your screens, what you see and clearly looks like a fairly long enough part of the weapon that could have gone very fatal. Look at that. Very sharp. And I believe this, if I can see correctly, it's not a hexa blade. It does look like a knife. And imagine how strongly it must have been hit on Saif Ali Khan that it got lodged into the body. Clearly, this man intended to not just rob the family, he meant harm. When he realized that he could have been caught now by the family members, he attacks Saif Ali Khan and then rushes out. According to the doctor, Saif has been able to take a few steps. He is recovering well, but he will be, of course, he will be under observation and will continue to get the treatment from the top neurosurgeons, from the plastic cosmetic surgeons there at the Leelavati hospital. But also the addition here, remember, the fact that according to the doctors, when he arrived at the hospital, with him was Taimur. The doctors said that he was with the elder of the two children, who's about 7-8 years of age. And then he said, if I'm correct, his name is Taimur. So therefore, that caught a lot of people off guard, because initial information suggested that he was brought in an auto rickshaw by Ibrahim, the eldest of all children. So Mumbai police have detained this one person, but as you look at this weapon, this part of the knife that's been extracted out of the body, that's one evidence, perhaps the biggest right now, to help you understand, visualize what exactly happened. To be attacked by this weapon, very sharp, it looks like a knife. We were told that there was possibly a hexa blade, a knife and a wooden stick with him. He came prepared. He knew in case he would be caught by anyone that he will attack them. But the cops will want to also ensure if this was just about robbery, burglary or something else against the family. So authorities on one side have confirmed that one individual has been detained for questioning. Then they've also confirmed, the medical team in the hospital, that it was when Saif arrived that Taimur, the little child about 7-8 years of age, was with him. And to imagine what the doctor said, remember the senior most doctor who was right now briefing the press just a short while ago, mentioned that he walked in like a lion. He was very brave. And imagine to be walking into the hospital profusely bleeding with this weapon, with this knife lodged into your body. Happening at about 3:30 a.m. So according to the information coming in, if you look at these visuals on your screen, at about 1:37 a.m. as recorded on the CCTV footage, that this accused is going up through the staircase at 1:37 a.m. Barely minutes after that, at about 2 a.m., the incident appears to have happened and unraveled. That's when the confrontation takes place. The next visual of him coming down is at 2:33 a.m. So in that 1 hour, possibly a lot happened, which the Kapoor Khan family will not be able to forget for a long time.
सैफ अली साहब का जब हॉस्पिटल आए थे तो मैं वो डॉक्टर था जो उनको फर्स्ट आवर में मिला हूँ. पूरा उनका उसमें ब्लड था, बट ही वॉकड इन लाइक अ लायन एंड ओनली विथ हिज स्मॉल चाइल्ड, दैट इज 6-7 साल का उनका जो लड़का है, तैमूर है शायद उसका नाम, हाँ, उसके साथ वो वॉकिंग किए हैं विथ सो मच ऑफ दिस. ही इज अ रियल हीरो दैट वे. बहुत फॉर्चुनेट है, 2 मिलीमीटर से बच गया. जहां तक नाइफ पहुंचा है उससे 2 मिलीमीटर और जाने से स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में इंजरी हो सकता था, विच इज वेरी वेरी फॉर्चुनेट। इट्स अ वेरी डीप वुंड, बट वो जस्ट स्पाइन कॉर्ड से थोड़ा बच गए, तो उनकी एक अच्छी वो है।
So they're talking about, and we'll put that visual of the weapon again on your screens, the CEO of Leelavati. Dr. Othamani has been briefing the press. He's been giving out statements. He says he was one of the first to notice that Saif Ali Khan has walked in and is grievously bleeding. Likely he must have been informed about it. And that's when he rushed to the hospital. And that's what we are told. The doctors basically, if you heard correctly, said if the knife was even slightly deeper, for example, if the knife or the weapon attacked and the part of which has got lodged into his body was even 2 millimeter deeper, this could have gone very fatal. Because remember, it's not just about the attack as much, it's the wound. If the wound was deeper, it could have led to perhaps some fatal consequences, whether it's bleeding or making him immobile or worse for Saif Ali Khan. And therefore, he managed to rush to the hospital just in time. The staff member who's given a detailed statement to the Bandra police has basically described how this intruder demanded a ransom, 1 crore rupees, and then attacked her first. She also is seen with injuries on the wrist. And then, of course, the actor in this robbery attempt.